Calendar isn't just about events and meetings. You can also put tasks on there for yourself to help you manage your to-do list. The way you do that is really similar to creating an event. I can either click create on the top here and choose task like this, and it will drop a task by default an hour long into my calendar, though you can change the default length in settings, and I'll show you that a bit later. Or you can click and drag where you want to put that task like this, say half an hour tomorrow, and then I'm going to choose the task option in this pop-up that appears here. So tasks are like personal to-do items that you want to tick off, whereas events are things that you might meet other people for, like meetings or other things where you might see people in person or online. So to create a task, once you've selected this task option, we can obviously double check the time. You can have repeating tasks in a similar way that you can have repeating events. So I could say I want this task to be something that I do every morning, maybe like check email, and then I can add a title and description. So let's call this complete the proposal document like this. Give it a description that maybe says finish off the proposal for the new client. And I can click to set a deadline as well if I want to. And then once I'm done, just click save. Once you've added tasks to your calendar, you can mark them complete just by clicking in that circle on the task itself if you want to. Or if you want to see all of your tasks in one place, at the top right of the calendar view, you can switch to tasks like this, and it will show you the full list of any tasks that you've got. And you can create different task lists as well. So you can see I've got one here specifically for Project Alpha. That task that I just created is complete the proposal document. So if I mark it complete here, and then go back to my calendar, we'll see that it's marked complete, it has a strike through, and it's also slightly dimmed on the calendar there as well. If you've used Google Calendar in the past, you might have seen a feature called Reminders. That doesn't exist anymore. It's all been rolled into Tasks, where you can set up the task and set a date and time and a deadline for it too. And so Tasks has now replaced Reminders in Google Calendar.